Hey there. So, branding is all about the experience of a business and really bringing it together in a cohesive and professional look. And it just makes sense to show you what branding looks like rather than explain it. So, these are my brand kits, and I think it would be really helpful for you to see what a brand kit looks like. And a brand kit is what you're going to receive with the branding package, and then just how you incorporate it into your branding. So this is the brand kit. You're gonna get a logo with a couple different variations, your color palette, your heading font, a subhead font, body copy font, and then your photo style, a mood board, some elements that you can use to play with, and then your brand style. This is your brand style. It's going to be all of these elements put together to create a specific look. So as you can see in this example as well, just how the brand elements and this whole look shows in the marketing. And in these examples, the marketing is in the form of an Instagram square. And let me zoom in on this. Okay, I just wanted to pull it off on Canva so you can see what it looks like. When you receive the gold package, this is what you're going to receive. Just a brief look at what your logo looks like so you can see everything all at once. The color palette, your font types, brand photo style, and then the mood board, and then the elements. So these are the elements that you can use, which end up looking like this. And I just want to show you a couple more examples of how it looks once you incorporate the brand kit into your marketing. I think, oh, I already looked at this, so this is the brand kit that you receive. It's going to look like your brand, of course, with the elements that we decide to put together. And then this is how a website could look with those elements. You can see it's really cohesive and it matches everything on the style guide. Here's another example. This brand kit is really playful, youthful, holographic, lots of rainbow colors, so you see that a lot in the branding. And the website, how it can look. See how the photo frames are in a circular shape, and then that matches the brand vibe as well, how the elements, there's a circle photo frame, so that's kind of how it all ties together. These little stars, little kind of scribble drawings and lines, you see that everywhere. And then one more, just so you can get an even better picture. Here's this brand kit, high-ended editorial. You can already see the vibe happening. This is how the Instagram squares could look. This is how the website could look for that brand kit. So it's all very cohesive, it's all very professional, and it really just has this unique vibe that's unique to the business, and that is what you're going to get in the gold package. Together we are going to create the brand kit, and the final product's going to look like this. You're going to get a page with all of the elements. I already showed you this, but here's just another example. And yeah, so hopefully that kind of helps you envision what you get with a brand. It's really not just a set of fonts and a set of colors and then elements you can use, vibe you can use. It really is having those elements and being able to put it together to create marketing materials that are really unique to you and really it really is authentic to your style and how you want your business to be perceived from your customers and clients. Hope that helps. Bye.